Do you know many people are having trouble with activating the blue symbols on their keyboards? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate FN key. Find the FN key on the bottom left corner of your Acer keyboard. Step 2. Identify blue key. Identify the key with the blue symbol you want to use. Step 3. Hold FN key. Press and hold the FN key. Step 4. Press blue key. While holding FN, press the key with the blue symbol you want to activate. Step 5. Release keys. Release both keys and the blue function will be activated. With these steps, you should be able to use the blue symbols on your Acer keyboard effortlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Acer users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.